Sa tanan ng mga accounting, personal agad kay salamat to ma'am. Thank you so much sa
Thank you so much. Good morning. Again.
Thank you once again, ladies and gentlemen. Basta nanay.
Bebe,
Paparada pinahanay. Sir Robert. Si Sir Robert ma'am. Si Sir Robert, hello Papilon. Hello Papilon si Sir Robert. Sir Robert.
Okay. Accounting Department. Ang Jeremy, kay kasakay mo niya, o ba'y kalakaw? Katawag here. And we'd like to welcome the Tanay City Treasurer's Office, headed by Ma'am Nancy Merolino.
Thank you so much for joining. Salamat kay ma'am and sir.
Thank you.
Happy Fiesta! Happy Fiesta po! Happy Fiesta sa nanay, mga kaigsunan. And, good morning! This is the Syudad sa Tanay.
And we are
welcoming
our Balikbayan Funders team.
Yes! Oh, ganun rin yan.